Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. I just got a package in the mail. I think there's a straight razor inside, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have a shave. See you guys there. All right guys, so we're back. Here is the razor in question. This has a black or translucent arc edge, but this was honed on the Convex Coticule. All right, so we have the soap ready. I deliberately made it thin. That's what I've been playing around with, and let's get right into it. I'm excited to try this edge out. Wow. That is flawless. Super keen, super comfortable. If you guys want to check out how this was honed, go into the description below. This was honed by my good friend, there goes my dog, my good friend Eric, the Cajun Blade. He did an amazing job. That was honed on a convex Coticule the entire time. At the end, I think he went to a flat Coticule and then translucent arcances. I'm also using the soap that he sent me. It's amazing. Let's get ready for the second pass. That was quick. All right. Nice, very smooth. He won't believe me, but this is the best edge I think I've ever had. His soap is amazing as well. So this soap can go a little bit thicker, yogurty-like, but I made it deliberately thinner because it's what I've been playing around with. And but this is very versatile. Beautiful. I knew this was gonna be good when I did the hanging hair test on it. All right, let's wash your face. So today we're using Soap Soap Company, Bay Rum Scent Aftershave Splash. I really like that this is veteran owned. I like the ingredients. It has witch's hazel on it, and the essential oils, they just last me all day. I even stopped using my regular cologne. I used to use Sean John, but this, I live in Puerto Rico. It's very humid. I sweat a lot. This stays in my body for longer than the Sean John, which is weird because this is Aftershave Splash. This is not supposed to, at least that I know of, compete with a cologne. So, but I think I can buy like 5 of these compared to like one cologne that doesn't really hold its own when I'm working. Soap Company, check them out. I think they have soaps as well. They do. They have shaving soaps. I think Draconis, based on House of the Dragon. If you're watching House of the Dragon, make sure to check it out. This is not paid or anything. It's just, I really like the smell of this. I like what they stand for. Scents on this bay rum: cinnamon, orange, and like some type of, I'm not sure if that's fir, but definitely cinnamon, orange. It has that nice sweetness to it. I'm not a scent guy, I can't tell you. I can tell you I like it. But anyways, Eric, make sure if you want to see how that razor was honed, in the description below, Eric the Cajun Blade, check him out. He does honing videos, shaving videos. He's really good at it. And Eric, I really like this new version of the soap. I think it's way better than before. It holds a lot more water in my opinion. All right, guys, have a nice rest of the week. I'll be checking your guys' content out, so I always read and reply to all your comments. Make sure you leave one in the description, in the comment section below. All right, that's it.